So in February, this information came out. BlackRock planning to offer crypto trading, sources say. Now, if you look at the article date, it's February the 10th, 2022. So they had plans to do this, and they've put here New York company based, the New York based company, which manages over 10 trillion in assets for institutions. Okay, so they've got this, which include public pension schemes, endowments, and sovereign wealth funds to trade cryptocurrency through Aladdin. Okay, the asset managers integrated investment management platform. So Aladdin stands for Asset, Liability, Debt, and Derivative Investment Network. Okay, so that was in February, the news. Now, obviously, in the past 3 days, BlackRock, Coinbase scores deal with BlackRock to give Aladdin customers Bitcoin access. So effectively, BlackRock have done a deal with Coinbase to sell Bitcoin in the back end to all their clients. So this is obviously going to take Bitcoin off the exchanges and put them into asset management company, which are then going to hold these assets, Bitcoin, for long periods of time. Companies like BlackRock aren't short term, okay, they're long term. So when this company and when the clients buy Bitcoin, it's going to stay off. It's not going to come back on the market. So this is great news, but how long it's going to take, when are they going to start buying, is the kind of big question. Now, this article actually says the cumulative managed 20 trillion in assets. So there's different numbers being bandied about. There's 10 trillion, 20 trillion. And if you have a look at coin market cap, green Satoshi, coin market cap. You look at Bitcoin. Oops. Bitcoin, the market cap at the moment of Bitcoin is just under $500 billion. Okay, so if you think these are coming in with 10 trillion, then let's suppose they put in, I mean, we don't know the figures, 10 trillion, 20 trillion. Let's say it's 10 trillion. Now, obviously, they're not going to buy $10 trillion worth of Bitcoin. Okay. Well, let's say they bought 5%. 5% would be 500 billion. So effectively, if they were to buy this crypto, it effectively would double the price, and probably more than double the price, because if they're coming in, it'll start shooting the price up, and other people will start FOMOing in as well. So their issue will be trying to get Bitcoin for as cheap as they can. But it's going to be good news in the long term. Maybe it's short term, there might be some volatility while they do some manipulation to somehow get the Bitcoin price to come down. I don't know. Okay, but BlackRock coming in, obviously, I'm not going to say what I think they are, but it's going to inflate the Bitcoin price in the long term. Short term, who knows what it's going to do? Whale manipulation and all of that. You could see some dips and stuff because, BlackRock will want their Bitcoin at cheaper prices than 23,000. Okay, so, but I can't see it going below the current kind of low, which is 17,500. So whatever it is, we're at a low. BlackRock are coming in for long term. So it's up to you whether you want to buy some Bitcoin or not, and whether this is going to make all the other altcoins shoot up in value over the next year or so. We'll have to wait and see. Watch this space.